When we call about banking and insurance, these have been the most upcoming and upgrowing fields. Banks and insurance were there, are there, and are going to be there. Now when you say about banking and insurance, it's a very coveted fields in the field of finance, and it's just going to go on growing, because with banks it is the nationalized bank, the foreign bank, the private banks. Also for insurance you have the general insurance, medical insurance, pension funds and all. So the trend was there, and it is still going to go on coming up as such in the near years to come. The banking industry goes now, the pay package varies whether it's a nationalized bank, it's a cooperative bank or a foreign bank. But at start you can expect not less than 7 to 12,000 as a start in banking. Similarly with insurance also, the pay packets are, it starts right after around 10,000 and up. But it depends whether you are the insurance agent or you are into the back office operations of the insurance company per se. But definitely the pay packets are good for people who are into who would like to get into the selling of insurances and also multiplying the products of insurance companies. When we say about banking and insurance, both require, the biggest asset would like to work in the field of with numbers. Both the fields are into meticulous working, eye for detailing. It's like together, though these fields are separate, the requirements could be more or less the same, that they need eye for detailing and a lot of numerical ability, good communication skills, people who would love to talk with people, explain them with a lot of patience, and again related to the finance means long working hours also could be expected, since there is a lot of competition with new foreign players as well as Indian banks as well as insurance companies in the market. So people with good physical and mental stamina, the field is for them. If you are planning to work in a bank, they have definitely their written test, group discussion and interview. The same applies for insurance companies also. But if you want to get into the MBA, banking and insurance, or risk management or actuarial sciences, you need to write the entrance exam like CAT or a CET, get admission through after overcoming the group discussion as well as interview. And of course banking and insurance companies do have the internal exams. So once you get into the job, it is if you want further growth in this field, you need to give those internal exams laid down by their companies and go a step ahead in the ladder. Basically, once you get into banking and insurance, the work itself will decide your specialization. Per se, academically there is no specialization, but once you start working, when it comes to the banking sector, it could be in trade finance, it could be in fixed deposits, it could be in for NRE or NRO deposits, or something like a customer service handling. It could be a relationship manager, customer relationship manager. This could be specifically for the field of banking. When it comes to insurance also, specializations could take place into health insurance, pensions, or it could be for vehicle insurance, life insurance, company insurances, office insurances. So insurance also has whole lot of specializations. Then there are surveyors, there are medical specialists to get the insurance, the actual coverage for the people as well as the companies. At 10+2 level, if it is something related to insurance, if you are a very good person who can communicate, who is ready to travel, who can mix up with any kind of crowd, gel with any age group, insurance could be the field. And same applies to banking. But the biggest aspect is you should be ready to work in numbers and be very meticulous and be very disciplined when it comes to explaining products as well as computing financial matters for the people as such. Basically, banking and insurance have always been there and are going to be there no matter what is the scene as such. Banking and insurance provide ample of opportunities right from the entry level position to the, it could be the governor of an RBI also. So you could see the amount of openings are massive, and what plays the biggest important role over here is your communication skills, ready to work kind of an attitude, and very meticulous in understanding your banking as well as insurance products to get the best for you as in your career.